terrific. Why are you nervous? They said. You are terrible. Oh, you should not listen to the noise of other people. It's silly to do that. You should believe in yourself. We are terrified. It's your responsibility to help yourself. Think about yourself as a special person. We should treat ourselves and never give any thought about the bad thing other people say that's wrong. Life is short, right? So why do you spend time on those kind of people? You should hold your amazing dreams stuck in the sky and glow to the heart. You should have this thought because life is short. Another, let's keep pushing. Thanks for listening.